What's going on, guys? So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm actually really excited about this mod. We have Pypes Longtube headers going on to the 5.0 today. So that is what we are going to be installing on the car today. If you guys don't know, this car is actually really quiet. It has a quiet exhaust, more of a quiet for sure. Wakes up when you get in the higher RPMs, but we are getting long tubes and we're gonna put them on the 5.0 today. And then we do have the Cobra that is currently down as well. When Lucio gets here, we will start the rest of the video. But until then, catch you guys in a bit. Sheesh. All right, Lucio, since we're under quarantine, what are we about to do today?
Not get contaminated by you?
Nah, the only thing that's gonna get contaminated is probably yeah, like that. That's how you wear the mask, guys. If you guys are, you know, we're quarantined and we gotta stay careful, especially when we're close distance. You know, if you keep 6 feet apart, you're good. But aside from that, we have the Cobra up in the air with the trans out. Lucio, so what are we doing today on the 5.0?
Trying to pick it up, dude.
Alright, right now. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for the exhaust to be here, it should be delivered today to my house. We're gonna start disconnecting and prepping to get the headers off of the car, the stock manifolds off the car. And what you're gonna need to do is you do have to take off the motor mounts, Lucio? So you do have to take off the motor mounts. You go from the top on both sides, and then after you'll go under the car where you can start disconnecting the actual manifold itself. The steering shaft is in the way over there, so you're gonna have to take that one off. And then after that, it should be pretty cherry. This car is really low. That's the only thing, but aside from that, we should be all good. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. I'll put you guys on the GoPro right now. All right guys, so we're gonna start on the 5.0 now. As you can tell, this car is only a bolt-on car, has intake, E85 flex fuel kit, and then it's lowered on some BC Racing coilovers. It's has a great stance. I know a lot of you guys, there's a lot of debate about these stickers, which I do plan on making a new theme, just not ready to do what I want to do yet. We're gonna get the car up in the air, get a low profile jack for sure. And yeah. I mean, the gains are gonna be dope, but for me, I just want the extra sound, but on top of it, you get gains. The car, like I said, isn't gonna be tuned. That's one of the things. We will tune it soon, hopefully, but aside from that, we'll be straight. One of the first steps, like I was saying, whoa, you good? One of the first steps you guys got to do when getting ready to take off your manifold is, oh yeah, there's a top bolt. So there's 5 total, right?
Yeah.
So there's 5 total. You're gonna hit this one right here. That's first, and then from the top, that's this one, right?
Yeah.
The top bolt, which is what size? A 15. Oh shoot, we got the Lamborghini move, huh?
The rest of 13.
So 15, and then you got the 13s that go actually, and that's what you guys are gonna go under the car, and that's what you guys are gonna unscrew. Those are kind of painful, so I'd highly recommend getting some WD-40, and that'll allow you guys to remove the bolts a little easier. It's gonna be hard. I'd highly recommend if you guys could fit a breaker bar or some sort of apparatus to make sure it's making it easier by coming out. Got the chopper. So we're almost done with that. We'll take out the stock manifolds. So as you guys can see, so we have the Ford Performance X pipe to the Borla by Ford Performance catback. To say the least, it's kind of quiet, but we gotta get some Starbucks soon. There, we're gonna be installing the Longtube headers, and it should sound a ton better. We're almost there, guys. We have the Cobra up and over there. We're gonna have Eder help us with this one. So while Lucio's unbolting the stock manifold on the passenger side, we're gonna get started on the driver's side. One of the first things you guys have to do is take out your steering shaft. So we have a T40 bolt that's connecting the steering shaft together, and we're just gonna loosen that. She's out. And then we're gonna hit up these, which are 15mm bolts. So we're gonna give those a shot now that WD-40 has had time to sit. Oh shit, that's a 5.0, no doubt. Yeah, we try to break these screws loose. Who knows? Why is he doing that, bro? Like, why do people gotta do that, you know?
Because you're slow, they said.
I don't understand it, man. Wait, I'm not talking about that.
Yeah, you are, liar.
I'm talking about
Is
the
he not asking about the girls?
No, I'm asking about the UPS.
No,
you're tripping.
not.
UPS, what the? Guys, he thinks I'm lying. There's a UPS truck right there. UPS truck is right there, down the street. Let's check out these headers, man. 10?
Hey.
Hey, let's go. Sheesh. Let's see if these headers are all about it. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a good one. What do we got? That's probably one side. Let's just open one. Shout out to Joe from Pypes, man. I'm telling you. Holy shit. Yeah, those two extensions. Sheesh. Man, those things look good. 304 stainless steel Pypes headers. Shout out to the boy Joe from Pypes. If you guys are interested in getting some, hit me up, or you know, go to pypes.com and cop some. But we have Pypes 1 7/8 long tube headers right here with high flow cats. Sadly, I would have wanted catless, but we can't do that. They don't sell the catless ones anymore. But these are probably the high flow cats right here. Check them out, check them out.
Ooh.
Okay, okay, I see you, Pypes. Got our hands on some Pypes 1 7/8 long tube headers. I'm really looking forward to it. Really nice. They're not bad at all, man. For the price, man, they're really good quality. They look super good. Way better than the stock setup. 304 stainless steel. The welds actually look very good on this setup. I mean, I can't complain whatsoever. For the price, it's really a good bang for your buck. We have the O2 extensions right here, warranty, return policy. And then these are like the flow tubes, which are, they're high flow cats, but if you guys don't follow me, go follow me on IG. What's your IG, Lucio? These bitches out. Sheesh. These aren't bad though for being stock manifolds. Pretty good.
For sure. For sure. Gotta lift higher. Yeah.
I'm doing headers on this one right now. A little hard, huh? Yeah, it's a process for sure. Like that maybe? Like that? That'll work. It's kind of cutting it close though. Alright guys, so we're almost done with the header install on the 50. We encountered some complications when we were installing the headers, primarily the bolts that were supplied with Pypes. We got it all resolved, but it was a scare because some of the heads potentially might have got messed up, but I think we saved them. Shout out to Eder for helping me out on this one, and Adrian. But pretty much the issue was this side right here. It's really hard to use the stock manifold studs because you can't fit the header on top of it, or on top into the studs. So using bolts will come in handy, and that's why we actually use them on this car. And I think we did get it all figured out and situated. When the motor mounts are out, jack it up, and then you guys can tighten. Let's see if we can fit the camera down here. And you can see the bolts. We did bolts on that side, and then we were able to use the stock manifold studs on this side. But with that, I think we should be almost done. We tightened the collector pipes with the high flow cats right there, and that's really easy stuff. Putting the motor mount back, and then putting the starter back, and then after that we should be ready to start the car, and we'll see how she sounds. So see you guys in a bit. All right guys, so we're almost done with the header install. One of the last things that you guys have to do is put on the O2 sensors, and one's just being a complete bitch right now, so I'm gonna go get the tool. We got all the other ones loose, just one of them just seems like almost as if it's like welded inside. It's like really a big pain. What we're gonna do is go get the removal tool from AutoZone, not too far from my house, and hopefully we can get start up, man. I'm super excited. I'll do more pull reactions probably in the next video, but at least get it started, drive around the block, and nonetheless hopefully to get headers put on the 50. So we see you guys in a bit. Pretty subtle at first, but I think it'll wake up. You can hear it. All the old smoke. Is that normal? Yeah, that's normal. 85, and then the header's burning off all the shit.
Is loud?
It's kind of the same, but I gotta step on it to see. The catback's really quiet, but when you step on it, it wakes up.
Give it a...
Yeah, I'll rev it up a little bit more. It's a lot louder, but when I step on it, it'll wake up. Cause I'm telling you, the catback's quiet. Not bad, not bad. Oh, it's way louder than before though. Like this shit was quiet. Nah, yeah, it's different. So pretty much we finished the header install. I'm really excited about it. Sounds amazing. Better, it sounds pretty good. It's kind of quiet. Like when you first start it, it's not loud on startup whatsoever. It's kind of subtle. That's how the catback was from the get-go. But aside from that, when you step on it, man, does it wake up. The COYOTE screams, I'm telling you. The Cobra's a little different. It's a lot quieter at certain RPMs, but this one wakes up. So with that, we are going to end the video right there. Pretty much the last thing I need is an O2 sensor, and the O2 didn't fit, or it didn't come out of the stock header. So I'm telling you, it was stuck in there. I don't know a lot of COYOTE owners that have dealt with that, but it was stuck in there. I don't know why. So we're just gonna go ahead and get another one. But until then, the car is still kind of down. I can't really drive it because the O2s will be really thrown off. Otherwise, if I had a tuner, I'd be straight, essentially. But aside from that, we pretty much have everything dialed in on the car. I'm really excited. I want to give a big shout out to Joe from Pypes for helping me out with getting the project all situated. If you guys are interested in these headers, just like my car, I'll have a link in the description and hopefully get a good deal for you guys as well. But yeah, with that being said, we're gonna end the header video right there. If you guys, like I said, are interested in those products, check out the links in the description. Shout out to Joe from Pypes. Go give him a follow on Instagram. And with that, we're gonna end the video right there. Since the 5.0 is up and going, we're going to get the Cobra up and going now, and that will be in next video. So I'm really excited about that, guys. Both cars should be running cool. And if you guys are new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. And we will catch you guys next time. Big shout out to Eder and Adrian for helping me out. And we'll catch you guys next time. It's loud. Oh yeah, it's loud. It's loud. Yeah, it's loud. That's hella loud. Oh, that shit woke up for sure.